Hey, this is John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent. Today we are again here in the beautiful Annecy community in the rolling hills of Nolensville, Tennessee. We're going to be looking at a beautiful model home by the David Weekley Homes. I am so excited to share it with you and can't wait to walk you through it. But if this is your first time to the channel, let me just stop and say welcome. Again, my name is John Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent. Really, you're a resource for all things Nashville. So whether that be you're looking at a new home, resale home, you're looking to list, move, or even relocate, really want to be a resource for you and definitely want to make this an easier process on you as well. Now, if you're a buyer and you're wondering what your buying power is, or if you're a seller and you're just trying to figure out what your home is worth, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me, whatever works best for you. I definitely want to make this a smoother process for you as well. Now, before we do anything else, why don't you go ahead and make sure you like, you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That notification bell is just going to make sure you're getting as much up-to-date content throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Now, again, I mentioned that we are here today at the Richland A model. And this is a model that actually comes with a beautiful sunroom right off of the covered porch area. Definitely loved how they added that feature into the home as well. And this is over here again in Annecy Nolensville, Tennessee, and this is a beautiful community in the rolling hills of Nolensville. If you haven't seen my other videos on some of the other models that are in this area, I definitely recommend that you check them out. There's quite a few builders that are in this community, but this community, let me just briefly touch on it, is going to have its own neighborhood private pool and cabana. It's going to have an amazing field area for both, soccer, baseball, football, beautiful walking trails. The nice thing about it being in Nolensville means it's in the Williamson County area as well, which means you're getting some of the very best schools that the state has to offer. And the model that we're looking at is actually a model by David Weekley Homes. And this model with the sunroom is going to have 5 beds. It's going to have 4 baths. It's going to have 3,029 square feet, 2-car garage, and it's got an amazing upstairs bonus room for the kids or a great work from home office, whatever you're wanting to use it as. This is just a beautiful home, and I'm excited to share it with you.